Guys, hope you are doing well. So in this section I have created one RDP window RDP machines on Amazon AWS, as you seeing my screen. And the second is I have created Ansible machine here. Yeah, on this machine I have installed Ansible setup completely. So let me show you the command. Now first let me show you my host file which I set up in Ansible folder. Yeah, you are seeing right now, this is my private IP of window machine, you can see. And this is connection with WinRM, and you can see this is username and password, and certificate should be ignored, and transport is basic, and port is 5986, you can see. So it is HTTPS port, you can see. Now let me try to making connection between Windows and Ansible. This is Windows, basically this is a group name of my window machines in Ansible inventory file. So now guys, you are seeing basic authentication error. You can see the specified credentials were rejected by the server. You are seeing this message. So this message basically comes when you are not able to communicate with Windows machines. So let me show you how we can resolve this issue. Go to the Windows machine and check the WinRM configuration. Here you can see allow encrypted false in client section, you can see. Yeah, but we can skip this for now. And the port is 5985 and 86, you can see. Go to the services section. Here you can see basic authentication equal to false. Yes guys. So the basic authentication must be true in this case, and port should be opened for 5986 and 5985 for WinRM. So we have to set basic authentication equal to true. So let me show you the command we have to run. I have copied this command in my notepad file, so we have to copy this command from here and paste in the PowerShell. Yeah, in PowerShell, clear the window first. Yeah, and run this command. So basically this command will set the basic authentication true. So let me check if it will work or not. Yeah, it's working. The basic auth equal to true. Now we have to check this thing. Now we have to check communication again from the Ansible server if it's working or not. So run the command winping. Yeah, it's working guys. So hope you understand the issue. We have only enabled the basic authentication from Windows server. So you have to must check your basic authentication should be true in this case. Yeah, this one you can check with WinRM config command, WinRM get WinRM config, and the allowed remote access should be true. So you have to check also this thing. Now let me show you another thing which we have to set. This is very most important thing we have to check in Windows server. So basically which user you are using, we have to check its have a permission for read and execute from Windows side. So the user must be exist in WinRM config. So this is the command we can check. Yeah, you can see CICM user. Actually this user I am using in my host file. So let me remove the permissions of this user and we can check from the Ansible side it is working or not. So we are just doing this for example. We will enable it again. So now check the Ansible side. Yeah, the communications is not happening. You can see the same error we are getting right now. So basically we have removed the user from the WinRM config. So we have to check whether the user is existing or not. So let me run the command again and add user here again in WinRM settings. Add, click on add and search here user. My user is CNCM. Yeah, it's fine and okay. And provide the permission read and execute. So user must be local user. If you are using Kerberos, it should be AD user, and if you are using basic authentication, the user must be local user. Guys, user must be local user. In this case you have to verify this thing. Let me check this again. Yeah, it's working again, you can see. So I hope you notice this thing what I did. Basically this thing for this issue very normal, multiple developers facing these issues. So I hope you understand this thing. So this is CICM user as you saying. Let me see my inventory file, host file, where we can check this user. Yeah, here you can see CICM. So I have enabled this user in WinRM config as you check. Hope guys you understand this tutorial. Thank you so much.